Hi everybody, today we're going to do a fun experiment. It's really easy, just requires a few things, and it ties in with our Library Ocean program. So there's many islands, as everybody knows, out in the oceans, but how do islands form? They form with volcanoes, when the lava erupts and rises to the surface and cools to create the island. So we're going to do homemade lava lamps. Really easy, all you're going to need is a jar, a cup, something that's see-through like this. You're going to want to put some water in it, not a whole lot, just a little bit. So I have it probably about a fourth, a fifth of the way up, just a little bit of water in there. You're going to take some vegetable oil and pour that in there. And don't fill it all the way to the top because you do want some wiggle room so it doesn't come over. So I'm going to fill this one up to about the lower part of the brim here. Something like that. Next thing you're going to do is take some food coloring. I'm going to do red. So I've got some red food coloring here. And squirt some drops in. Should be pretty good. And as you can see, the vegetable oil stays at the top, the water's at the bottom, and the food coloring has gone to the bottom. There's a couple globs hanging out at the top, but most of the food coloring has gone to the bottom. Next thing that you're going to do is take an Alka-Seltzer tab, break it in half, or sections. You don't have to put the whole thing in. And once you put it in there, it's going to make the food coloring start to rise and make a lava lamp, kind of like lava. So you can see the red food coloring is coming up and making these globs. And it will die down once the tab is completely dissolved. Everything will settle down and it'll all sink back to the bottom. And if you want to do it again, all you have to do is take another piece of the tab and drop it in, and it will start it back up. So this is kind of a fun thing to do for home, for a homemade lava lamp. Be careful though, so you can keep this if you want to, but if you put the lid back on here, make sure it's all the way done fizzing, because if you put the lid on tight and it's not done fizzing, it can create that pressure and break the glass and make a mess. So if you do want to keep it and put a lid on it, just make sure it is completely done fizzing, and then you can put the lid on it and keep it. And a week from now, or whenever you want to do it, just drop another tab in there and it will start going again. Have fun with this. Have a good day. Bye.